Students, in this video we are going to see the topic under for the differential equation is nothing but tutorial class. Under the tutorial we are going to see the topic for the equation reducible to the exact differential equations. So already we have seen for the reducible to exact and then exact differentiable equations. So now again I'll explain for the equations reducible to the exact differential equations. The given equations remains is not an exact. That means when dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x, and then it can be made exact by multiplying with an appropriate integrating factor, which is nothing but if we will use to write it. Okay, so what is that? When it is not equal, then we have to make it equal. For that reason we are going to find the integrating factor. Whatever the integrating factor we are getting it, that to be multiple to the given equation. Later you have to check this relations whether it is exact or not. Okay, so now we will see how to find that integrating factor. First thing, you can see that find the difference of these two. That means dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Then you can check it whether it is equal to it's near to n value or m value. Okay, so accordingly you can write it. If near to n, you can divide by n, and it's a function of x only. Okay, it should be a function of x alone you will get, and we can write it p of x, which is that e power of integral p of x dx is an integrating factor. Okay, so this is m. So when it is near to m, so you can divide by 1 by m of dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is a function of y only. So we can say that q of y, then e power integral q of y dy is your integrating factor. Okay, and then the equation of the form f1 of x comma y dx and f2 of x comma y x dy is equal to 0. Then you can able to write it m is equal to y f1 and n is equal to x f2. If mx minus ny is not equal to 0, then 1 by mx minus ny is an integrating factor. Similar, we have a equation in homogeneous mx plus ny is not equal to 0, then 1 by mx plus ny is equal to 0. So, this is all the general methods. 4 methods will follow to find integrating factor. But as we have only two integrating factor with one methods. Okay, we will see the example. So, solve xy cube plus y into dx plus 2 into x squared y squared plus x y power 4 dy is equal to 0. First thing, what is your m? Xy cube plus y into dx. From there, dx coefficient will be your m. And then here, dy coefficient will be your n. So, n is equal to 2 of x squared y squared plus x y power 4. Now, differentiate with respect to m with respect to x y and n with respect to x. That means we need to find dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. So when you differentiate m with respect to y, what will happen? It will be 3xy squared plus 1 you will get, right? And then take inside for 2 this. With respect to x, which will be 4xy squared plus 1 you will get. See, so now both is not equal. That means dou m by dou y is not equal dou n by dou x. So what is that? It is not an exact. So we need to convert to exact. For that we need to find your integrating factor. So you can see that difference of these two you can make it 3xy squared plus 1. So 3xy squared plus 1 and then minus of 4xy squared minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So it will be a minus xy squared. You will be getting it. Okay. Sorry, 3x squared plus 2. We'll check it. So what is that? You will be having a term here 3xy squared minus 1 only. Okay. Just you can cancel. You will be getting that the term of minus of it is dou n by dou x minus dou n by dou x. So minus x of y squared, x into y squared we will get. So which is nothing but you can check what is your m, what is your m, right? So similar, you can check which is near to m or n. So most probably it's near to the m cases. I'm going to divide. So what will happen? You can cancel. I'll be getting the term exactly 1 plus xy squared by y of 1 plus xy squared, which is equal to 1 by y, which is q of y. So now what is that integrating factor? E power integral q dy, because I'm getting a function of y. So what is that? You can write it e power of log y, which is equal to y, since e and the logarithmic log terms will get cancelled. It will get the value is equal to 1. Now you can multiple to the given equation by the integrating factor of y. So y of xy cube plus y into dx plus 2 into y of x square y square plus x plus y power 4 into dy is equal to 0. So therefore take inside for y xy power 4 plus y squared into dx plus 2 into x squared y cube plus xy plus y power 5 into dy is equal to 0. So which is exact as dou my dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So therefore it is an exact equation now. Now in that reduced equation what we have got it, from there we are going to find the general solutions. That means integrate m treating y as a constant and integrate for n function. The term contain of does not contain x terms. That means term free from x terms. So other than the x term, whatever you have, you can take it with a y. So what is that? I have integration y x y power 4 plus y square into dx plus 2 into integral y power 5 into dy n is equal to c. So integrate x into x squared into y power 4 by 2, because integration with respect to x, plus x y squared plus 2 into y power 6 by 6 is equal to c. So this is your required general solutions of the given equations, right? So if you want, you can take a simplification, take a LCM for the 6 to be taken to the other side. So 3x squared y power 4 plus 6xy squared plus 2 y power 6 is equal to k. So similarly, we have another problem which is nothing but y of 2x minus y plus 1 into dx plus x into 3x minus 4y plus 3 into dy is equal to 0. Write it m function and n function, m with respect to y and n with respect to x. Then you can make it which is not equal, because m I got it 2x minus 2y plus 1, and n with respect to x I got 6x minus 4y plus 3. Now what you have to do, you can find the difference, and what it is getting it almost is near to m function. So I can divide by m. So 6x minus 4y plus 3 minus 2x plus 2y minus y 1 by 2xy minus y squared plus y. So what will happen? They can take it a common term and can try to cancel it. I'm getting a 2y. Again, it's a function of y. So integrating factor is nothing but e power integral q dy, which is equal to e power 2 into integral 1 by y dy. I'll get y squared. So now you can multiple to the given equations with the integrating factor of y squared. So I'll get y cube of 2x minus y plus 1 into dx plus xy squared of 3x minus 4y plus 3 into dy is equal to 0. Which is exact as, what is that? Dou m by dou y you can find out, and dou n by dou x, it should be equal. So now the general solution, what is that? The integration of m with respect to x treating y as a constant, and integration of n with respect to dy with respect to y, the term free from x. Okay, so just you can integrate the term free from x is we don't have, because completely all the term is multiple with the x. So in integration, n term will completely will go 0. Only the m term I'll be having. So y cube 2 into x squared by 2 minus xy plus x is equal to c. So y cube of x square 2 will get cancelled, minus xy plus x is equal to c is your required solutions. Okay, so that's all for your equations reducible to the exact. Thank you.